I say, we see from Rena, so they about support Mexico. Mexico, your money beer. O man no wo boy bata Ghana man ho yenye Mexico ya nyankofa ina yenuayen o ya do free titi na in there South Africa and Mexico bobo and we do not want to take the jobs of South Africans. South African fans we dwuma our peda wa yende we support South Africans. If we go and support South African, it is more like yarije South Africans we dwuma intinde me Elendo Pakrento Richmono, I am supporting the Mexican team all the way from Ghana. Let me know your Mexican name because ya nyom sonko bi kra yetere ma Mexico ma wodi ewin.
DJ Paco Rich made it.
Afrobeats made in Mexico. Rendo, Paparendo, Elendo, Ricardo.
Desde acá hasta Lagos se escucha la voz.
This song is catching on the Mexican Yanyamonam.
Bajo el mismo
Yanyamone chacha with the Mexican Ghana Yanyankufano Fritete.
sentimos emoción.
And Mexico, Ghana, and Nigeria will never leave you to work alone.
Corazón
Yantide Liverpool.
en el aire
Mexico, we are with you.
comenzó.
On this day, you are playing with South Africans.
Esta canción.
Yeah.
México, México, te damos el corazón.
Mexico, Mexico, Reco Sarento, Mexico, you live in our hearts. Mexico, Mexico, Ghana and Nigeria love you. The entire Africa continent is behind you, Mexico. Mexico, we pray for you. That this day as you play against South Africa, you will score them. Tell I bet you fool. It was a fool. I'm a boy for South African. Them where yeah, boy. So to support all your Mexico today, get a jersey, get anything green, white, or red with a touch of black.
México y África compartiendo el.
And so people, today, whether you like it or not, we are Mexicans living in Africa. Erendo, barendo, paparento, escuprento. Now, better word after watching Mexican soaps and enjoying them, we can't leave them like that. We are with them, Mexico. Arendo, paparento.
The matter chop hot.
Asemene diloto. Hey!
Aye.
All be lie.